Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows Server 2019 on your virtual machine workstation or your VMware station. Whether you're trying to set up a lab for practicing sake or you want to use it for a tutorial, this video is for you. Setting up Windows Server, you can configure Active Directory and so many other stuff in your Windows Server. Without wasting much of our time, let's get started. At first, ensure you downloaded the ISO file suitable for your machine. So if you are in US, you can download the one for US. If you are a Chinese or French, you understand French, you can download the one for that. German, Italian. So I've already downloaded the one for America, which is the English. And again, I also have the VMware workstation. So I've downloaded this already. So let's go to the VM now to start the installation. So at first you click on create virtual machine because you are going to create a fresh virtual machine, you are not going to import a virtual machine, so you don't need to click on this. You click on create. You go with the typical, which is recommended. You click on next. So I will install later. So you click on this, I will install later. So you select Windows, Microsoft Windows, then you click on this and then look for Windows Server 2019. You click on this. Next. Then you name it. I'm going to use Windows Server. I already have, as you can see, I have Windows Server already. This is the desktop. So let me name this as Windows Server 2019. I'll click on next. I'll leave this as default. I'll click on next. 100 is recommended. I mean 100 in a single. I will store everything in a single virtual disk. Then you click on next. Then you finish. You can see the summary of what you want to install the Windows Server on. So you click on finish. Now you can see it here. So now you have to click on edit virtual machine settings. Then you click on the CD DVD start. Then you click on use ISO image. You browse. So remember I told you I have the Windows Server 2019 already. So you can see, this is it, Windows Server 2019. Okay. So I click on this and then I open. So let me check for NAT. Okay. Let me use this for now. The processor. Let me set this to 4. So the memory, let me set this to 4 as well. Yeah, 496. Okay. So I will click OK now. So you can see everything. Then I'll power on the machine. Okay, so let's wait. Now, as you can see, you have to select. You select this, which is the virtual VMware virtual SATA CD-ROM, which is this one. So now, as you can see, it's loading. Okay, so as you can see, the language installed is English USA. The keyboard will also be USA. That's what I'm going to do later in the video as well. So install now. So now this is very crucial. What to select here will determine what to select here is very important. So if you click on this first one, you are only going to get the the PowerShell version of it. So I'm going to select this particular one, Windows Server 2022. Okay, this is 2022. It's not 2019. So this is Windows Server 2022 Data Center Evasion. The desktop experience is what you need. So you click on Next. So you have to read all through. Then you accept the terms and conditions. Then you Next. Then you click on Custom Install. Yeah, Custom Install. So as you can see, there's nothing here. And I don't want to create a partition. So I click on Next. So let's give it some time to actually install. Okay. Yeah. The stuff is getting ready now. So the username is administrator. I don't know. Okay, yeah, I can't change it. Let me give it a password. Ensure the password is strong enough. So I'll give it a password. So click on finish. Oh, password did not match. Okay. Yeah. So now to unlock it, you need to press the control button plus delete and control button, alt and delete. So let me do that now. Control, alt, delete. Yeah, let me input my password now. Good. This is the desktop experience. Yeah. I'm going to do the settings later for the stuff to actually take the full screen. But for now, the installation is complete. So as you can see, the installation is complete. So in the next video, I'll be teaching you how to do the settings by creating the domain server and the rest. So as you can see, address and features, you can see tools. So it's actually working, and there is internet access as well, because I set the stuff to NAT. You can see it's working. There's internet access. Google.com. You can see it's working. Google.com.